Alright, got a early start late in the day. It's alright. So the plan right now was to go to the bank, deposit some cash, and then go get my haircut, and then go to work and go to the lots and see if we can get some work done there. So I go to the Chase right now because that's where I need to deposit the cash, and the ATM is not accepting any cash. And I'm like, dude, what the heck? So then I go to look inside, and there's a super long line, so I'm like, I'm not gonna wait for that. So just go down the road, go to the next one, and see if I can deposit my cash there. If not, guess I gotta come back later, or I just have to go to a different bank. Alright, so yep, was able to deposit the cash literally down the street from his house. Just waiting at the light. Got 4 minutes left before I put it there. It's on, but yeah, so much easier when the ATM just takes the cash and then having to deal with going inside and all that other junk. But yeah, so did that. Now I'm gonna get a haircut, get all this cleaned up, and yeah, go from there. Oh yeah, that was the thing I was gonna say. This chick, man, she like almost hit my truck when I was parking. Like, and then she gave me, or no, when I was already parked, I was sitting in my truck, and I was trying to do something, and she's giving me dirty looks like if I was in the wrong. She made the turn like all weird, and she couldn't fit her car inside the spot, but I was within the lines. So it's not like I was in the wrong, you know? Yeah, she's giving me like whatever. I'm like, get my car, man. It needs another payout. Let's do this. But yeah, gonna get the haircut. These pretty cool.
7:58 in the morning. Man, been in here since 5 though. I'm in LA. I might just slide up to the bay in a minute though. Hit the road, you know, I'm talking about just push that, you know what I mean? Grapevine.
Alright, fresh haircut. Came out nice. Got rid of the beard. But anyways, good morning. We are here today in beautiful San Bruno. And guess it's right over there. That way. YouTube. So yeah, so today we're working on a customer's car. Got a few dents on it. We're gonna get knocked out, and it should be a nice day. He was kind of in a rush, but it's okay, no problem. You know, that's what we're here to do. Come help people. It's at his work. But yeah, so we'll just knock these out and get going. I'll show you that. So we got two. We got one here, a tiny little one, and then I got another one on the other door. It should be super simple, super easy. Okay, so pretty interesting. Got a small little dent right here. Kind of focus. There you go. Nothing crazy. It's just on the edge. But yeah, you see the. Oh, there you go. It's kind of hard to see. There's like a little line here. When the dent hit the door, it left an impression because that's where the door is folded. Like it's like a pinch right here. And yeah, but anyways, where the scratch is at, that's where the dent is at. So interesting though too. We also have a laminated window. So normally we'd go all the way down. I put my window guard and then a wedge tool, but because this is laminated, you have to be careful. They're very sensitive. Great for blocking out sound or wind noise, or road noise, wind and road noise. But they're very fragile. They can break very easily, and they're super expensive to fix. So obviously something we don't want to break. But yeah, we get this one done, and then we got this other little dinger right here. Little dinger here. So yeah, but then this window, see how it's not double laminated, just a single. Yeah, it'll be a lot easier with this one, not to worry as much. So again, with these laminated windows, you can't put any pressure like pushing. You can only do twisting motion. Versus a little bit with the single pane, you can do pushing and it won't break. I mean, obviously there's a threshold, right? You can't like put your full body weight on it, but you can push a little bit so that you need to move. So whatever tool you're in there, you need to push out.
President Trump?
I really don't know what he said at the end of that sentence. I don't think he knows what he said either. Look.
Yeah, you can push with this, but it won't be as bad as if you were pushing with the laminate. The laminate would break right away. So yeah. Set up and we'll get straight to it. Yeah. So because we have the sun hitting this spot, I thought it'd be easier to see with a reflector board versus the light board. But yeah, you can still see it right there, the dent right here. But yeah, so we're going with this wedge tool. It should allow me to get right in here. Hopefully there's no brace right here, but if not, I mean, I can probably use my weld tool. Yeah, I said screw it. I'm getting the light board. I can see much better with the light board. What's funny is I used to use the reflector board. That was the first one not that exact one. I had one that looked exactly the same, but a little bit smaller, same colors and everything. That was my first board that I learned how to do PDR with, and I used it for many years. And I was very reluctant to buy a light board, because when I came out of dent school, you got a bunch of tools and stuff like that. And I got actually one, one was included, a light board, but it wasn't a cordless one, or battery powered one. So I had to plug it into the cigarette lighter of any car that I was working on, which kind of sucks. Let's see if I can get this out. Yeah, it sucked because it would drain the battery on the car, or I'd have to have the car running. And so, you know, with the car running and heat with from the engine, it'd get pretty toasty, especially if I was closer to the engine, or if it was in the back. It's like you're getting all the fumes from the exhaust, which suck. But yeah, it took me a long time to finally break down and buy a cordless light board. And the first one I had, it actually had 5 lines, so it was white, amber, white, amber, white. So it was cool, but it was a lot bigger than this. It was like really long, and the truck got broken into and it got stolen. And it's like they stole a bunch of other stuff, which sucks for me. But it's like it sucks. It's kind of dumb on their part, because I mean, obviously these people are breaking and stealing, they don't care. But it's like kind of like a bad sport for them, because they got all these PDR tools and stuff that they for sure have no clue what to do with it. So yeah, now I'm cross-checking it. But yeah, now I'm cross-checking this dent, because I do see a little bit of cracks in there. Alright, this one done. Came out really nice. Oh yeah, came out really nice. So the only thing left there is that scratch, that's it. But look at that. Look. Alright, so we're on the next dent. Let's see. Yeah, so this dent is wrong. Focus. It's kind of hard to focus. Anyways, so the dent's right here, right? It looks like a little shot, but actually it's a little small crease first. So that's why I have my light board set up like this first. Always work your dent always put your light board in the direction of the dent. And this dent happens to be right on a brace. You can see my tools here. Oh no, actually, is it? Yeah, it is right on a brace. I thought it was my tools hitting the edge of the window. So yeah, I'll actually turn this down a little bit. It's a little bright. But I'm using the same tool, the same brace tool. That's perfect. It's getting like right to the top of this brace, like slipping in between. So when I say brace, there's actually quite literally a brace that runs. There's actually a brace that runs literally where this dent is at, and it goes across. Boom. That is, like I said, a brace. But it's a crash bar. So if the car gets in a side impact or gets hit from the side, it won't go through the door. Potentially, it's supposed to help save people, have some resistance. But yeah, so dent is high, just gotta knock it down, and then we'll cross check, and then we'll go from there. So I see a little low. Go ahead and push this low out, and we'll cross check. And you can see where my tool is as the metal's flexing right there. So this is what I mean when I say you have to cross check. Because from the other angle it looks great, right? But then you can still see a high, a little low there, and yeah, another little low. So once I get those, I'm gonna push a little bit more, get those knocked out, and then it'll come out looking like there's never a dent here. I still see something. It's a little itty bit. The problem is my tool's like it's coming off that brace and then it wants to go in a different direction. So I'm just trying to finesse just a little, without over pushing around, trying to get. It's almost like there's a small little deep valley. All right, let's see how that looks now. Cool, much better. So the last part I was able to get out came out really clean. You can see what's at. See, that's what we want. Whole panel, boom. So yeah, got this one out, gonna get the tool out of here and pack up and kick. Alright, so all done for right now. Finish up this car. Came out really nice, really nice. Customer should be really happy with it. So he already paid me, which is kind of cool. He paid before I even did the work, which I usually don't do, but it was cool. But yeah, it took about, I'd say about 15 minutes of actual working time, maybe less. Yeah, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes of honest, you know, but it took longer because I got to move the camera and set up and all that stuff. But anyways, San Bruno is a little bit out of our area, but it's all right. Came out really well, and yeah, we'll move on to the next one. Kind of cool. YouTube's right there too, so yeah. Got some more stuff to do. Head back down, and we'll be done. So guys, made it here. Walked a lot. Pulled one car. Got a few little things on it. Just take care of those. All right. So he made it to the lots. So I got one car. Got two little dingers. Got one right here. Sorry about the siren. The po-po is flying by. Oh no, ambulance. It's the wambulance. And we got another one down yonder. So I got the light board set up on it. I gotta take care of this one. I don't feel like pulling on my tripod right now, but we got another one. I'll show you after when they're done. But yeah, cool little Subaru Outback. Yeah, nice little car. But yeah, just knock these out and then we'll move on to the next one. Got this one all knocked out. Came out real nice. And this one down here too. So, yep. Alright, so yeah. So we are done with this lot here. It's getting toasty again. That's all good. And we'll head to the next one. I forgot to record. Rookie mistake. But yeah, there wasn't very much left over there, the different lots. So just knock that stuff out real quick, and now we're heading home. I'm gonna grab some Starbucks for the wife, and yeah, that'll be it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. That'll definitely help out a lot. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. We'll see you later. All right, peace. What is up, guys? How's it going? So it's definitely an early morning today. Sun's not out yet. Sun will be up soon, but yeah, we got a nice little trip planned out this morning, and we'll check back in later. But yeah, we're heading down south, down under. We're going to LA, so be a nice little trip, and we're gonna go pick something up real cool. So yeah, check with you later. So we're at the gas station, and what do we get? Sicko car. Yup, yup. Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.